Today we'll be making this beautiful popcorn. Draw your children closer to you with this amazing recipe. Very easy to make. Welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. Enjoy your stay and watch till the end of this video. Don't forget to like. Special corn for popcorn. You can get it in a corn shop or right in the market. I'm using 1 cup and 3 tablespoons of sugar. This is normal granulated sugar, and 3 tablespoons of my butter. This is normal margarine you can get, and I'm using butterscotch. Feel free to use vanilla, any flavor of your choice. Like I said, this is 1 cup of my corn. This is a special corn for the popcorn, so feel free to add up if you want more. If you want more sugar, feel free to add. So I'll be using just these 3 tablespoons, of my margarine and my butterscotch. Okay, add your margarine into your hot pan or your hot pot. Allow it to dissolve. When everything is well dissolved, add a little, just half of the sugar into it, and you add in your flavor. The flavor of your choice. You can use 1 teaspoon of flavor, but I'll be using the cover of the flavor to measure my. Stay a little and you go ahead to add in your popcorn. When you add in your popcorn, you continue stirring till everything is well combined. Take your time to stir this very well. Yes, you only cover the pot when you get your first popping or your second popping. When the popcorn starts popping, you can cover the pot. You can see the first one, the second one is out. Yeah, you can see that. Right now, you're free to cover the pot and allow it to pop. Everything will pop at this junction. Please lower your heat. If your heat is high, lower it so that the damp part will not be burning. If this is your first time of watching my video, this is your first time of watching Progressive Cakes video, please don't forget to subscribe. You can join this lovely family by just clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting alerts of my newest video. If I post new video, you will get an alert. And to my old subscribers, you're all welcome back again. I love you so much. You can see our popcorn popping up and down. I bake cake, I decorate cakes, and I also make different pastries I know you will like. And I also cook different African dishes. So wow, look at that. This is beautiful magic in the kitchen. Feel free to try this, and I know you will come back to thank me later. At this time, you have to off the heat. When you're not hearing the popcorn popping again, you off your heat and go ahead to bring down the pot. Spread extra sugar to it, and you go ahead to add your milk. It's not mandatory, but if you have powdered milk available, go ahead to spread. You can shake it a little, or you dish it out this way for your family to enjoy. I'll be serving with my popcorn packet, and which I got from the cake shop. So you can get yours from the cake shop. Thanks a million for watching, and thank you. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to like my video. Thanks a million. Bye.